to the King, Villanueva!
Sa wakas, ay muli nang lalaban sa bansang Amerika itong ating bida na pinagmamalaki ng Bacolod Negros Occidental, ang alias King Arthur na si Arthur Villanueva, dating naging Philippine prospect at napalaban na din sa world title pero nabigo. At ngayon ay balak ulit niyang ibangon ang kanyang pangalan sa larangan ng palakasan. Nagbalik para sa mga malalaki pang laban, pero di basta-basta ang kanyang makakaharap sa muli niyang pagbabalik sa Amerika. Isang knockout artist at talaga namang magaling din sa basagan ng mukha. Ito ay ang tubong Oklahoma sa Amerika. Prospect din nila na si Elijah Pierce. May isang Pinoy na din na nakalaban itong si Pierce at ito ay si Mike Plania na tinudas naman niya via third round knockout. 27 anyos pa lang itong si Elijah Pierce at may record na 18 wins, only 2 defeats, 15 via knockout, habang 35 na itong si Arthur Villanueva at may record na 35 wins, 4 losses, 20 via knockout. Mas veterano itong ating pambato habang mas bata at nasa prime itong si Pierce at uhaw sa panalo at sa mga titulo. Kakayanin kaya ng ating pambato na si King Arthur Villanueva na sabayan itong mas batang leon na si Elijah Pierce? 3 sunod-sunod na panalo ang ginawa ni Villanueva mula nang ito'y magbalik sa ibabaw ng lona matapos ang halos 2 taong pamamahinga, at 2 sa 3 tinalo niya ay tinapos via knockout. At sa kasalukuyan ay under siya ng MP promotion at tinitraining sa Amerika. Kaya naman paniguradong pinaghahandaan din ng ating pambato ang laban, kaya aasahan talaga na matinding salpukan bukas sa kanilang gagawing suntukan. Veteranong Pinoy kontra sa mas bata at gutom na Amerikano. Bago ang laban niya bukas ay sabay-sabay muna nating balikan ang naging huling laban ni Arthur Villanueva na kung saan isang tila hari ng mafia ng Thailand ang kanyang nakalaban.
Villanueva! Howdy!
He with 1 win, the orthodox stance, same weight class as our previous. He made quick work of Siwakorn SBK right now. To the body there from Villanueva. Villanueva as well. Chatri looking poised. Villanueva pushing forward, overhand right, missing round. Lots of venom behind his shots. From Chatri. Overhand right there from Chat. Out headbutts. Obviously unintentional though. In the blue corner. Left uppercut there from good 1-2 flurry there from Chatri. There from Arthur. Right hand there from Arthur. Bit more accurate punches here from the Filipino fighter, but Chatri is firing straight back. And that's going to do it for round. Potentially 6. Big right hands being fired straight away from both fighters. Waver, who's got Chatri on the ropes. It's like Chatri's trying to just line him up for a right hand. Just missing there and circling off. Huge digs going into the body and uppercuts to follow from Villanueva. Trying the headbutts. Huge body rips here from Villanueva, unanswered by Chatri, who tries to fire back with his own right hands, but he really needs to cover up to defend his body more. Big right uppercut there, right uppercut from Villanueva and a left hook followed. Another left hook, and that looks like that's wobbled Chatri. Big right uppercuts here from Villanueva. Villanueva just pausing slightly. Chatri, I think he's trying to come to his senses. Chatri, low guard from the Thai fighter as well. Villanueva still in the attack, pushing forward. Left hook to the body as well from Villanueva. Villanueva, big gasp of air from Chatri, just showing that those body shots are really doing a tremendous amount of damage. Hooks and uppercuts being thrown here by Villanueva as he's still in the assault on the front foot. Good, accurate right hand from Villanueva and left hook to the body, right hook as well. Right uppercut to the head from Villanueva. And another jab fires out too. Uppercut from the Filipino fighter as well, following. Left hook has been, we're just creeping up to the 30-second mark of round number 2. Chatri, and see how he can solve the puzzle of Villanueva, has been very accurate in round 2. There's been a lot of his punching combinations. Big body punches here from Villanueva and landing the uppercuts well. Right hook misses there for Chatri, and that's going to do it for round number 2. Picking up where he left off in round number 2, straight into round 3. These huge body shots and uppercuts coming in left and right. Slightly wobbling, Chatri slightly. Right hand connects as well for Arthur Villanueva. Left jab as well from Arthur. Jab from Arthur, pushing forward. Big right hand and then left hook to the body from Arthur Villanueva. Right uppercut there from Arthur as well. Left hook to the body. Right hook as well. Right hook to the head. Arthur hasn't missed too much at all in this round 3. Good left hook as well. Check left hook from Arthur Villanueva. Good right hook to the body again from Arthur Villanueva. Good pouring out the jab too. Just try not to, needs to break him down a bit more now to try and get a knockdown. Oh, a slip there from Chatri. Not surprised. 2 big rips to the body, not once but twice from Arthur, and going to the head as well with the uppercut. Swing and a miss with the left hook. So far the Thai fighter is showing a tremendous amount of heart that most Thai fighters definitely do in Thailand, whether it's boxing or Thai boxing, which is what they're known for. You really do have to kill them to get them out of the ring. Big digs again from Arthur. Again, right hand. Good right hand connects though for Arthur, and again, twice in a row, followed by the upper. Overhand right just misses, and that's going to do it for. He put up a fight in round 4. Big right hand again from Arthur. There you go, left hook connects there from range for Arthur. Left hook and right hand from Arthur, right uppercut to follow. Long, illegal hold. Swing and a miss from Chatri. Then twice in a row, then right uppercut followed by Arthur. Making a hole for that uppercut as well, either a left or right. It's really strong with the right uppercut so far, and he's finally been able to find his range with his long left hook. Good right hand and 2 digs to the body with the left hook in a row. 3, 4 left hooks there from Arthur. 5. Trying to go to with the uppercuts as well, and that's it. Referee waving this off. So that's the second stoppage that we've had in the 53.5 kilogram bantamweight division.